Click on Photoshop. Now opening the Photoshop workspace. Now I am selecting the one image, any kind of image you also select. I am selecting this type of image. Now go to select menu and click on the subject, because every time is I am selecting the subject, because the subject is a simple trick to select the any image which subject is you want, that one is automatically selected in subject. Now selecting the subject was selected. After you go to the layer paths, looking layers, channels and paths. Now creating the group 1. Click on the group 1, creating the group 1. Now selecting the layer mask, and after go to layer mask and select invert. Now layer mask is coloring black. Now go to colors, hues and saturation, and now this is the saturation, hues and brightness also. If you want any color you select, automatically background color was light and dark and color was changed. Now looking this, now I am changing the background color. This is the automatically simple trick to change background color. Now I am selecting this color, and also color balance also, some curveness and color balance. Now go to color balance. Color balance is the if you want some light and dark and some more dark, everything you want, you select the color balance and also change the color adjustments. This is the simple trick in Photoshop. If you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe, share also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you for choosing this video. Thank you.